Sugarville was a perfectly ordinary town until one Tuesday, when 10-year-old Maya was helping her grandma bake her famous cinnamon doughnuts. While shaping the dough, Maya heard a giggling sound. "Grandma, why is the dough giggling?" "Don't be silly, Maya. Dough can't giggle. Now let's shape them into perfect circles." But before Grandma could finish, the doughnuts jumped alive. They chanted in squeaky voices, "World domination! Glazed victory!" Grandma and Maya watched in disbelief as the doughnuts formed an army and rolled towards the front door, ready to conquer Sugarville. "We have to stop them," Maya exclaimed. But how? Suddenly, Grandma's eyes lit up. She grabbed a giant whisk and a bowl of sprinkles. "We fight fire with sugar." Grandma whipped the whisk, creating a dazzling shower of sprinkles. The doughnuts froze, mesmerized by the sugary spectacle. "Now, my dear, it's time we teach these little rascals a lesson about cooperation." Maya and Grandma explained that Sugarville thrived on kindness and sharing, not domination. The doughnuts, captivated by the sweet story, listened intently. "We're sorry we were so greedy," said the donut leader. "We just wanted to be the most delicious things in the world." "But you already are," Maya said. "You just need to share your deliciousness with everyone." And so, the doughnuts agreed to a truce. They became the town's official treat, spreading joy and sweetness with every bite. Maya and Grandma continued baking, their laughter mixing with the happy gurgles of the newly reformed dough. The day the doughnuts took over ended not with a bang, but with a sprinkle. And Sugarville learned a valuable lesson. Even the smallest things can have big dreams, but working together is always the sweetest recipe for success. Subscribe for more sweet stories.